If a defendant lies and tricks a victim into giving the defendant the victim's money or property, is the defendant guilty of theft by false pretenses? What if the victim first investigates the defendant's claims before deciding to proceed? We explore those questions in People v. White. Theodore Whight opened a checking account at Tri-Counties Bank. The bank issued White an automatic teller machine, or ATM card. When White overdrew his account, the bank notified him that it would close the account if he didn't cover the shortage before the next statement date. White didn't deposit any money into his account, and the bank closed it. White continued to use his ATM card at several Safeway stores. He would purchase a small item and then request cash back. Safeway utilized a Wells Fargo computer system to authorize ATM transactions. Typically, Wells Fargo would indicate that the transaction was either approved or disapproved. Sometimes, however, the Wells Fargo system couldn't approve or disapprove a transaction. In such a case, the system would issue a stand-in code. This code simply notified Safeway that Wells Fargo wasn't able to verify the transaction, either because Safeway's system wasn't communicating with Wells Fargo, or because Wells Fargo's system couldn't communicate with the customer's bank. For customer service reasons, Safeway's management honored transactions that returned a stand-in code. A glitch in Wells Fargo's system caused it repeatedly to return a stand-in code rather than a disapproval code when White used his invalid ATM card at Safeway stores. White obtained over $19,000 before he was caught. When he was arrested, White admitted that he knew his checking account had been closed. The state charged him with grand theft by false pretenses. Following his conviction, White appealed to the California Court of Appeal.